Hello, this presentation will explain the complete network design, configuration, and testing process for the Tex Soriano Corporation, a company operating three locations: HQ Bacolor, Guagua Branch, and Lubao Branch. We will walk through the network topology, routing setup, DCP-H structure, subnetting decision, and the final testing result. Part 1. Company and requirements. Texariano provides outsourcing and IT support services, requiring available inter-branch communication, stable LANs, centralized DHCP, dynamic routing, scalability, and 24/7 uptime. Our design ensures secure, efficient, and consistent connectivity across all three sites. And the next one, network topology overview. Our packet tracer topology includes HQ with one router, one switch, PCs and laptop, server and printer. Guagua branch with a router, switch, PC, laptop and printer. Lubao branch with similar structure. Serial connection links HQ to Guagua and HQ to Lubao, point to point. LAN connection use copper straight through cables. HQ serves as the central hub for all routing, DHCP, and IP management. And the next one, subnetting decision is dash 28 equals 255.255.255.240. We selected a slash 28 subnet because it provides 14 usable hosts per network, enough space for all branches device, room for expansion, easy and uniform design across all locations. This makes the network efficient and avoid wasting IPs. And the next one, HQ configuration summary. At HQ, configured basic security, password and encryption. Set LAN interface to 192.165.0.1-28. Configured two serial interfaces for Guagua, 10.0.0.1-30 and Lubao 10.0.0.5/30. Created three DHCP pools: HQ, Guagua, and Lubao. Enable EIGRP routing and advertise all networks. HQ acts as the central DHCP server distribution IPs to all branches. And the next one is Guagua and Lubao configuration. On both routers, basic setup and hostname configuration. LAN interface set to their respective /28 networks. Guagua 192.163.0.1/28. Lubao 162.164.0.1/28. Serial interfaces configured for the one links. Added IP helper address to relay DHCP request to HQ. Configured EIGRP to share LAN and WAN routes. The next is switch configuration. Each switch was configured with hostname, VLAN 1 IP address, no shutdown on VLAN. This allows switch management and connectivity testing. And the next one, testing and verification. We perform ping test between HQ to Guagua, HQ to Lubao, branch to HQ server, PC to PC inside the same LAN. DHCP testing. All hosts receive correct IP, gateways, and DNS. Routing verification. Show up IP route displayed full EIGRP routing cables. Tables. One link testing. Serial interfaces were shot to simulate the out gauge. EIGRP dynamically updates route. All tests passed successfully. And the next one, conclusion. In summary, our design is scalable, secure, and organized. HQ centralized IP and routing. EIGRP ensures dynamic interbranch routing. Serial 1 links provide reliable connectivity. The Dash 28 subnetting scheme fits the company size perfectly. This network fully meets the operational requirements of Tech Soriano Corporation and ensures stability for future expansion.